Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Solana video update for 14th of April. And right now, what are we doing for Solana, guys? Solana to me it looks like a very amazing buying opportunity. So what I'm just gonna do again, give you a refresher once again. And this is what we did. All you did is make one impulsive move to the upside. You went up like this impulsively, came down correctively, okay, and you came down to the 0.618 to hold the support, which is amazing, which is really amazing. So maybe if it could be interested to come just a little bit down to stress people out, maybe back to the 98 again, make a double bottom, and then from there you start to move to the upside, and that would be amazing. I wouldn't mind if it does come a little bit down to make a double bottom, and then from there start to move to the upside. I just want to check the RSI as well, so I'm gonna bring in the RSI right over here, and if you just notice the RSI, it seems like the RSI has been broken. Just look at that. This was a resistance that was broken out of the RSI. So you went up like this, came down, got rejected, went up, got rejected, came down, went up, broke out, right? So the break of the RSI also happened on the Bitcoin chart. Just watch the Bitcoin update, okay, on the channel. We also have the break of the RSI. Now that's out of the way, and to me, guys, my opinion is still going to remain that if you start to close below the 98 and you backtest and fail, that would be very negative for Solana. But are we doing it? No, we're not doing that one just yet. So we still have 14 more hours to close the candlestick. You might see Solana even making a three white soldiers. Who knows? Go back to $112 and make three white soldiers, and then from tomorrow you start to pick to the upside completely. Anything can happen right now, okay? But one thing is very good to me is that this is just an amazing entry opportunity at the 0.618. It has always been historically, unless you don't start to lose it and close below it, then you might be looking for $88.65 as your next big level of support at the 0.786, because that's where you also had a little bit of a bounce right over here. Do you see that? That's also a low. Maybe you just come down a little bit like this. That's also a big level of support, and then you bounce off that support, and you start to move to the upside. And that's it for today's Solana video update. If you want to learn more about fib retracement and golden ratio, do check my course. If you want to pay 29 bucks, join the Discord, click my name and message me on how to pay with crypto for the discount, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.